Maria was a kind woman. She lived in a small town. The town was quiet and slow. People knew each other. Maria worked in a small bakery. Every morning she woke up early. She washed her face. She made tea. She walked to work. The air was cool. The streets were empty. The sky was soft and light. Maria liked the morning time. It made her calm. She liked simple things. She liked bread. She liked warm light. She liked slow days. Maria was not rich. She did not have big dreams. She only wanted peace. She wanted a safe life. She wanted love. She wanted to feel warm inside. In the bakery, Maria smiled at people. She said hello to everyone. She spoke softly. People liked her voice. People liked her smile. She helped old people. She helped children. She worked with care. Her hands were gentle. Her heart was gentle too. But inside her heart, there was a small pain. She did not talk about it. She did not cry. She kept it quiet. Long ago, Maria loved a man. His name was Daniel. He was kind too. He had a calm face. He had sad eyes. They met in the same town. They talked. They walked. They laughed. They shared dreams. But one day, Daniel left. He did not explain much. He said he needed to go. He said life was hard. Maria believed him. She did not stop him. She did not ask many questions. She only smiled and said goodbye. That goodbye stayed in her heart. After that, Maria learned to live alone. She learned to smile alone. She learned to be strong inside. One day, a new man came to the bakery. He was quiet. He wore simple clothes. His name was Leo. He looked tired. He looked lost. Maria gave him bread. She gave him tea. She smiled at him. Leo smiled back. That smile was small but real. He came again the next day. And the next. Every day he came. They talked a little. Simple words. Simple talk. About weather. About bread. About life. Leo said he had no family in the town. He said he was alone. Maria felt something in her heart. It was warm. It was soft. She liked Leo. She trusted him. She did not know why. She felt safe with him. One day Leo said something strange. He said he was sick. He said his heart was weak. He said he did not have much time. Maria listened. Her eyes became wet. Her hands shook. She felt fear. She felt care. She felt love. She told him she was sorry. She told him she would help him. Leo smiled. He said thank you. But that smile was hiding something. A small lie was born that day. A sweet lie. A lie that looked kind. A lie that sounded soft. Maria did not know the truth. She only knew her heart felt close to him. She believed every word. She believed because she wanted to believe. After that day, Maria cared for Leo more. She gave him free food. She made soup for him. She asked about his health. She walked with him in the evening. They sat on a bench. The sky was orange. The wind was slow. Leo talked about pain. He talked about fear. Maria listened. She held his hand. Her hand was warm. Her voice was calm. She told him life was beautiful. She told him he was not alone. Leo looked at her with soft eyes. He felt something heavy inside. He felt shame. But he did not stop. He did not tell the truth. He liked the care. He liked the warmth. The lie grew bigger. but it still looked sweet. Maria shared her own story. She talked about Daniel. She talked about goodbye. Leo listened. He felt closer to her. He felt more pain. Days passed. Weeks passed. People in town saw them together. They smiled. They whispered. They said Maria found love again. Maria felt happy and scared. She prayed at night. She asked for peace. She asked for truth. Leo stayed silent. One day, Maria saw Leo laughing with another man. He was strong. He looked healthy. He did not look sick. Maria felt confused. Her heart felt cold. She asked Leo about it. Leo said it was nothing. He said he felt better that day. Maria believed him. She wanted to believe him. The lie became deeper. Leo wanted to stop. But he was afraid. He was afraid to lose her. He was afraid to be alone again. Maria started to dream again. She dreamed of a home. She dreamed of shared mornings. She dreamed of holding hands forever. But truth does not sleep forever. Truth wakes up one day. It comes slowly. It comes quietly. And when it comes, it changes everything. One evening, Maria met an old doctor. The doctor knew Leo. The doctor spoke kindly. He said Leo was healthy. He said Leo had no heart problem. Maria felt the ground move. Her ears rang. Her heart broke softly. She did not scream. She did not cry there. She went home slowly. Her steps were heavy. Her heart was full of questions. That night, Maria did not sleep. She looked at the dark ceiling. She remembered every word. Every smile. Every promise. The sweet lie now tasted bitter. But Maria was still kind. She was still calm. She wanted to hear the truth from Leo himself.